world. Welcome back to my channel. So today topic is Ldap enumerations and its tools and how it is used by hackers. If are new to my channel, then please check out my previous videos. Otherwise you won't understand anything in this videos, as you skip the previous videos. So don't skip anything if you want to learn. I will give those videos on the I button, click on it and watch those videos first. And also check my brother's channel for all sorts of CMD hacks and tricks. And learn free. Link is in the description. Without any delay, let's start today's topic. Ldap enumeration. Ldap enumeration is the lightweight directory access protocol. Is a protocol used to access directory listings within Active Directory or from other directory services. A directory is usually compiled in a hierarchical and logical format, rather like the levels of management and employees in a company. Ldap tends to be tied into the domain name system to allow integrated quick lookups and fast resolution of queries. Ldap generally runs on port 389 and, like other protocols, tends to usually conform to a distinct set of rules, RFCs. It is possible to query the Ldap service, sometimes anonymously, to determine a great deal of information that could lead the tester. Valid usernames, addresses, departmental details that could be utilized in a brute force or social engineering attack. Tools. I am going to give you the Ldap enumeration tools used in ethical hacking by us. The lightweight directory access protocol is a protocol used to access the directory listings within Active Directory or from other directory services. A directory is in a hierarchical and logical format. I runs on port 389 and tends to conform to a distinct set of rules. Request for comments. RFCs, like other protocols. Here are the tools, how to use them. And what is this tools? Number 1. JXPLORER. JXPLORER is a free, open source client for browsing, lightweight directory access protocol, Ldap, servers, and Ldap data interchange format, Ldap, files. It is released under an Apache equivalent license. JXPLORER is written in Java and is platform independent, configurable, and has been translated into a number of languages. The primary authors and maintainers are Chris Betts and Trudy Erzvanier, originally both working in the California, then Computer Associates, Trust Directory, now California Directory, Software Lab in Melbourne, Australia. Several common Linux distributions include JXPLORER software for Ldap server administration. This software also runs on BSD variants, AX, HPUX, OS X, Solaris, Windows 2000, XP, and Z/OS. Key features are SSL, SASLint GSS API, DSML, LDIF, I18N, currently German, French, Japanese, Traditional Chinese, Simplified Chinese, Hungarian, Optional Ldap Filter Constructor GUI, Extensible Architecture, version 3.3. The 10th anniversary edition was released on July 2012. Overall, the program has been downloaded over 1 million times from SourceForge and is bundled with several Linux distributions. Now come how to use it. 1. From the JXPLORER main window, do one of the following. Click on the button bar. From the file menu, choose Connect. The Open Ldap connection dialog appears. 2. Optional. If you want to connect using a predefined template, select the template from the Use a Template drop-down list, and then click OK. 3. Enter the name of the directory server's computer in the host text box. 4. Enter the port number of the directory server in the port text box. 5. Enter the lightweight directory access protocol, Ldap, version number used for this connection. The default value is 3. 6. Enter the base distinguished name of the directory to which you want to connect in the base DN text box. For example, O equals Democorp, C equals AU. Do not enter spaces. 7. Click the level drop-down list. Select the security level with which you want to connect, and then go to the next step. 8. Optional. Enter the distinguished name of your user account in the user DN text box. For example, CN equals Pamela Smith. OU equals marketing. O equals Democorp. C equals AU. And then enter your user password in the password text box. Go to step 10. 9. Optional. Enter the password of the client certificate key store file in the password text box. 10. Optional. If you want to save the details in the template, click the Save button, enter a template name, and then click OK. The template is saved at the end of the list. If you want to use this template to connect to the directory now, you must select it from the Use a Template drop-down list. 11. Click OK. Number 2. Symlabs Ldap Browser. Number 3. Softira Ldap Administrator. Softira Ldap Browser is the industry-leading software for browsing and analyzing Ldap directories. It provides a wide variety of features for handy viewing of directory contents, getting information about directory infrastructure and objects. Right after the very first release, Softira Ldap Browser has become a real breakthrough in IT market thanks to its simplicity and power in equal measures. This software holds highest positions for 10 years already. Some of its features are unique. To date there is anything to match their efficiency in the existing Ldap software packages. Apart from other capabilities provided by Softira Ldap Browser, you may take advantage of the following functionality. Number 1. Advanced Directory Browsing. Number 2. Comprehensive Directory Search. Number 4. Customizable Directory Reports. Number 5. Ldap SQL Queries. Number 6. Data Export. Ldap. DSMLV. 1. DSMLV. 2. MS Excel. CSV. Plain Text. HTML. Number 7. Customizable HTML Views. Number 8. Ldap Schema Viewer. Number 9. SASLIN SSL Authentication. Number 10. And much more. Softira Ldap Browser is capable of working with any Ldap server available at present, including, but not limited to, the following most popular ones. Number 1. Microsoft Active Directory. Number 2. OpenLDAP. Number 3. AddLDS. Number 4. Apache Directory Server. Number 5. Novell Directory. Number 6. Sun Directory Server. Number 7. Lotus Domino. Number 8. IBM Directory Server. Tivoli. SecureWay. Etc. Number 9. Microsoft Exchange 5. 5. Number 10. iPlanet Directory Server. Number 11. Fedora/Red Hat Directory Server. Number 12. Oracle Internet Directory. Number 1. Sun Opens. Number 2. Netscape Directory Server. Number 3. Siemens Dirks. Number 4. ISO Vault. Number 5. Octet String VDE. Number 6. Unbounded. Number 4. Ldap Admin Tool. Ldap Admin is a free, open-source Ldap directory management tool licensed under the GNU General Public License. Small and compact, Ldap Admin is also highly configurable through the use of the template extensions. In addition to common browsing and editing functions, Ldap Admin provides a directory management functionality by supporting a number of application-specific Ldap objects such as POSIX and Samba, groups and accounts, postfix objects, and a number of Active Directory objects. It also provides an XML-based template engine which extends the application in a seamless way, allowing it to support virtually unlimited number of user-defined objects. Features. Some of the key features include: Number 1. Browsing and editing of Ldap directories. Number 2. Recursive operations on directory trees. Copy, move, and delete. Number 3. Modified operations on datasets. Number 4. Password management. Number 5. Management of POSIX groups and accounts. Number 6. Management of Samba groups and accounts. Number 7. Postfix MTA support. Number 8. Template support. Number 9. Offline browsing and editing of Ldap files. As of version 1.3, the templates support for JavaScript and VBScript was introduced, providing for a dynamic templates. Limitations. Ldap Admin runs on the Windows operating systems only. By using the Wine software, it is apparently possible to run the application on a Linux and Mac OS X operating systems. Open square bracket 1 close square bracket. Since recently, there is also a Linux port open square bracket 2, still beta, of Ldap of Min. Number 5. Ldap Browser Editor. Apache Directory or Ldap Browser Editor is an open source project of the Apache Software Foundation. Its flagship product, the Apache Directory Server, originally written by Alex Karasulu, is an embeddable directory server entirely written in Java. It was certified Ldap v3 compatible by the Open Group in 2006. Open square bracket 1 close square bracket open square bracket 2. Besides Ldap, the server supports other protocols as well, and a current row server. Open square bracket 3. There exist these sub-projects. Number 1. Apache Directory Studio is an Ldap browser/editor for data, schema, diff, and DSML written in an Eclipse-based framework. Number 2. Apache SMO is a Java-based implementation of the SIM protocol. Number 3. Apache Fortress, access management application written in Java. Number 4. Apache Kirby is a Kerberos implementation written in Java. Number 5. Apache Ldap API is an SDK for directory access in Java. Number 6. Apache Mavibot is a database application for Java applications. Number 6. Ldap Account Manager. Ldap Account Manager is a web application for managing various account types in an Ldap directory. It is written in PHP. In contrast to tools like PHP, Ldap of Min focuses account-based and to give the user a more abstract view of a directory. This aims to allow people with little technical background to manage Ldap data. The base application is licensed under the GNU General Public License, and there is an extended version available under a commercial license. The Ldap Account Manager (LAM) project was founded in February 2003. The first developers were Michael Derner, Roland Gruber, Kyle Lutz and Leonhard Walksel. The goal was to create an application to manage Samba software accounts. At this time Samba supported Ldap in its 2.x releases and version 3 was at alpha stage, but there was no GUI to manage them. Until LAM version 0.4, only Samba accounts could be managed. In the year 2004 the project started to develop a plugin architecture to support more account types. The first stable release with the new code was LAM 0.5.0 in September 2005. There is a commercial variant, LAM Pro, since 1.0.4 that supports a user self-service, e.g., to change own password, telephone number. It also supports additional Ldap objects, e.g., Zarafa, Kerberos, PPOLICY. Features. The most important account types which are supported by LAM are Samba, Unix, Zarafa and PPOLICY. The user can define profiles for all account types to set default values. Account information can be exported as PDF files. There is also the possibility to create users via file upload. It also includes the tree view of PHP LDAP and to access the raw Ldap attributes. LAM is translated to 16 languages. Supported account types. Number 1. Unix. Number 2. Samba 3.4. Number 3. Zarafa. Number 4. Colab. Number 5. Address book entries. Number 6. Asterisk, INCL, voicemail and asterisk extensions. Number 7. Mail routing. Number 8. IMAP mailboxes. Non-Ldap, via IMAP protocol. Number 9. Hosts. Number 10. Free radius. Number 11. Untitled Kerberos. Number 12. Authorized services. Number 13. Mail aliases. Number 14. Group of unique names. Number 15. Aliases. Number 16. IP and MAC addresses. Number 17. SSH keys. Number 18. File system quota, in Ldap, system quotas, and via external script. Number 19. DHCP entries. Number 20. The subject/net groups. Number 21. Automount entries. Number 22. Password policies, PPOLICY. Number 23. sudo roles. Number 24. QMAIL. So the last one is number 7. Ldap Explorer Tool. Cross-platform. Number 1. Admin for OpenSquare 1. An open source Ldap browser and directory client for Linux, OS X, and Microsoft Windows. Implemented in Python. Number 2. Apache Directory Server/Studio. An Ldap browser and directory client for Linux, OS X, and Microsoft Windows, and as a plugin for the Eclipse development environment. Number 1. Fusion Directory. OpenSquare 2. A web application under license GNU General Public License developed in PHP for managing Ldap directory and associated services. Number 2. JXPLORER. A Java-based browser that runs in any operating environment. Number 3. JXWORKBENCH. A Java-based plugin to JXPLORER that includes directory reporting using the Jasper Reports reporting engine. Number 4. Ldap Account Manager. A PHP-based web front-end for managing various account types in an Ldap directory. Number 5. PHPLDAPADMIN. A web-based Ldap administration tool for creating and editing Ldap entries in any Ldap server. Number 6. Slammed. An open-source load generation software suite for testing multiple application protocols, including Ldap. Also contains tools for creating test data and test scripts. OpenSquare citation needed. Number 1. Roundcube. An open source and free PHP IMAP client with support with Ldap-based address books. Number 2. Teleform. A document imaging tool with support for Ldap-based authentication. OpenSquare citation needed. Number 3. Kofax Capture. A document imaging tool with support for Ldap-based authentication. OpenSquare citation needed. Number 4. GoSo. Provides a powerful framework for managing accounts and systems in Ldap databases. OpenSquare citation needed. Number 5. Web2 Ldap. OpenSquare 3. A web application under license GNU General Public License v2 developed in Python for managing Ldap directories. Number 6. OpenDJ. A Java-based Ldap server and directory client that runs in any operating environment. Under license CDDL, Linux/Unix. Number 1. Evolution. The contacts part of GNOME's ping can query Ldap servers. Number 2. Addressbook. The address book application for KDE, capable of querying Ldap servers. Mac OS X. Number 1. Contacts. An Ldap-aware address book application built into Mac OS X. Number 2. Directory Utility. A utility for configuring access to several types of directory servers, including Ldap, built into Mac OS X. Number 3. Workgroup Manager. A utility for configuring access to several types of directory servers, including Ldap, built into Mac OS X Server and one of Apple's server admin tools. Microsoft Windows. Active Directory Explorer. A freeware Ldap client tool from Microsoft OpenSquare 4. Number 1. Ldap Admin. A free, open-source Ldap directory browser and editor. These are the tools. I hope you can download these tools by your not need of links to be provided. Countermeasures. Use NTLM or basic authentication to limit access to known users only. By default, Ldap traffic is transmitted unsecured. Use SSL technology to encrypt the traffic. Select a username different from your email address and enable account logout. So this is all for today. Hope you liked it. So if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel. And, if you liked the video then please don't forget to like the like button. And also share the videos. And also follow me on my Instagram account, link is on the description. If you want to ask something then join our WhatsApp group, link is on the description. Thank you, and goodbye.